Wealth flows into my life as I walk in God's wisdom. I am positioned for sustained financial growth, not temporary gain. My life attracts increase because I carry divine insight. I create value, and wealth responds to my purpose. I operate with financial clarity and spiritual intelligence. My income streams expand through God-given ideas. I am entrusted with wealth because I steward it faithfully. Resources are released to me for kingdom impact. I move from provision to overflow naturally. My finances align with God's order and increase. I am led into profitable decisions at the right time. Wealth comes to me without stress or struggle. I recognize and seize opportunities prepared for me. I prosper quietly, steadily, and securely. My financial future is established and protected. I am not limited by lack, fear, or uncertainty. Money works for me as I walk in righteousness. I receive wealth with peace and wisdom. My financial life reflects order, discipline, and growth. I experience consistent increase, not sudden loss. I am supplied beyond my needs so I can bless others. I think long-term wealth, not short-term relief. I'm guided away from financial error and loss. Wealth flows to me through aligned relationships. I build lasting financial foundations with God's help. I carry the capacity to generate and multiply wealth. My finances are stable, increasing, and secure. I am financially established for life and legacy. I walk confidently in God's provision every day. Wealth follows me because I follow divine wisdom.